Hello, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, I'm going to teach you about sorting data rows. What we are getting in a data rows by using where clause and filtering the data rows as we require by writing a select statement in SQL. Whereas we want to that particular result set in a particular order wise. That might be an ascending order or it might be an descending order. How we can see, it's a very simple technique. In predefined there is a method like ASC and DESC, ascending and descending order. We can specify while writing the SQL statement. It's very simple. We'll see. I'll show you how it is going to be executing while writing the SQL query statement. Let's start this situation now. For this instance, I'm taking in a products table here. Now select star wildcard I'm using from complete information. I'm getting that from the database table of products. Here OTUCTS. Yes. Select star from products and terminate this query. Go execute over here. Yeah, once it is executed successfully, we'll get an information. See here, this is the product ID. The product table is having product ID, name, supplier ID, category ID, quantity per unit, unit price, and these are the columns are available. Stock, order, and these are. Now I'm going to considering. I'm looking for products. If I pressed simply select star from products, a simple SQL statement to getting the data rows from the database table, you see here it is displaying the data like a product ID 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Based on the product ID, it's getting the data like a chai chunk. It's not carry forward any product name alphabetical orders. All right, and instead of getting like this, I want to get like a product name. If I see it's getting me as a product ID wise, and if I want to by name wise, like I'll show you the thing like by taking two columns only, product ID and product name. Product underscore ID comma product underscore name. Now see here, these two columns only it will be displayed now. But you know very clearly, you know that. Now see here, showing here it's clearly product ID and name. And what my requirement is, I want to show all the product list in alphabetical order. For the purpose, what I'm doing here, it's very simple to see. By writing the SQL query statement, products, after the products table name, we have to specify a class name order by space column name. Product name I'm using instead of product ID here. Product underscore name. And if I specified order by product name only, by default it will take ascending order, that is ASC. Let's see, go over here. Now see here, the query is executed successfully. With my query is select product ID, product name from products table, order by product name only. Now product name you observe here, it's a first A letter, after that B, C, the continuation like alphabetical order it's giving, and it's not particularly, it's not depending on the product ID, it may vary. All right, and if I want to see the same product name like ASC, I can also specify here is an ASC, means it's an ascending order. The same thing, the same results will be applicable and applied over here. First A and after B, C, it will continue. Similarly, if I want to this result set in reverse case, like a DESC, will use for descending order. As simply it is, if we want to see the result set is in a descending order, we have to specify after the order by after the name of the column, which column based on the column we are making that result set is either ascending order or descending order. We have to define it. After that column, we have to specify the keyword of the functionality, what we exactly require. Now, in this case, now I have specified DESC on query box. All right. Now, see, Z is the last letter. It is in the coming with the. It's as in the beginning. It is coming. Why it is coming first means we have used DESC, descending order. We have specified in the keyword. All right. Likewise, till A it will be goes on the reverse manner. It's the showing so only the 25 number of rows only. You can use to change either 50 or 100, 250, 500 up to the 250 and rows if available in the data result set. It will be displayed in this page. For the fast query execution planner and the demonstration purpose, by defaultly it will be selected 25 only. If you require more results, if you want to see, you change this simple option to, you will see all the details over here. Otherwise, you simply just click next to next 25 records, it will be displayed. Right? This is how we are going to be using order by clause. Sorting by a column, default how the result is coming. Very simply, we can sort this order by using the particular column name. Any column, which column you want to make it as an either ascending or descending, you can specify over here, and you can get the result set based on the condition what you have passed based on the order by. Alright, if we applied here as we seen, ASC means ascending order, DESC means it's in a descending order. The completely quite opposite of ASC. The same thing we can also specify order by if any conditions or if any the column value to be matching based on the criteria only the result set will be filtered. Alright, hopefully you will get good having a good understanding about order by statement, like using an SQL statement using order by clause. Try to practice more and more queries by applying different tables, and you will see the observation of the order by query. You will get a good idea about it. Thank you for watching this session. Thank you.